Why does methodology matter in research? It's because it serves as the blueprint of the study, guiding how the research will be conducted and providing the means to answer the research question. Imagine the methodology section of a research paper as Chapter 3, a crucial component that outlines the specific methods chosen by the researcher to conduct the study. It's a section that carries great weight. If the methodology is flawed, it can lead to inaccurate results. But if it's well designed, it can validate the researcher's findings and allow the study to be replicated by others. The purpose of this chapter is to provide enough information so that an experienced researcher could replicate the study. It includes a clear explanation of the methods used to solve the problem, a detailed description of the methodology's components, and a justification for why each particular technique was chosen to answer the research question. Now, how does one go about writing a methodology chapter? It's a process that can be broken down into manageable steps. First, start with the research design. This is where the researcher describes the approach to the investigation and justifies the specific methods chosen, making sure to cite relevant literature. It's a critical step that demonstrates the researcher's understanding of research theory. Next, it's crucial to describe the study setting. This involves explaining the role of the researcher in gathering data. It provides context to the study and helps to set the scene for the subsequent steps. Then comes the part about study participants and data sources. Here, the researcher explains the criteria and strategies used when selecting participants and describes the data sources. It's about ensuring the research data is relevant and valid. The fourth step involves detailing the procedures and instruments used in the study. This is where the researcher demonstrates the methods and states each step for performing the study in detail. It's like a recipe that other researchers can follow. Finally, the researcher discusses the data analysis. This includes talking about the statistical tools and methods applied to analyze the information and measures taken to increase validity. It's the final step that ties everything together. In essence, Chapter 3. The methodology in a research paper is a critical section that plays two important roles: demonstrating the researcher's understanding of research theory and making the study replicable. It's about providing a clear explanation of the research design, study setting, study participants and data sources, procedures and instruments, and data analysis. Remember, the methodology chapter is not just about stating the methods used, it's about justifying them, explaining them, and showing how they contribute to the overall quality of the research paper. It's about ensuring that the research is valid, reliable, and can be replicated by others. So when you're writing your next methodology chapter, keep these points in mind. After all, a robust methodology is the backbone of any successful research paper.